great way to bring your cartoons and drawings to life. Draw in some special effects. Cartoon special effects. Now, look at this very simple sausage man that I've drawn here. He's standing still, putting 2 lines just round by his hand, and there you've got his hand moving. It looks like he's waving. Now, the more lines you put in, the more it looks like your cartoon is actually moving. Look at that. In fact, if I even put some squiggly ones in, it looks like he's shaking like a leaf. Well, not only can you get movement into your cartoons, you can also get direction. Here's a runner. I'll put some movement marks in, just to show that he is moving. Now, what about direction? Well, he's moving in this direction, so put some whiz marks in. I'll even stick in some smoke there to show he's running very fast. Well, not only can you get direction and movement into your cartoons, you can also tell what they're thinking. Have a look at this fella here. Well, to me, he looks fairly angry, so I'll put in some anger marks. What about this chap? Well, he looks to me like he's had a bright idea. Ding! And what about this fella? Well, he looks to me like he's very puzzled and hasn't got a clue. It's good, isn't it? Try it yourself. Even in your comic strips, it works brilliantly. Take a look at this footballer. There he is, whizzing down the wing there. And the ball is moving very fast. Then up at the other end of the pitch, the goalkeeper is waving to a girl in the crowd. Ah, this gives me a good idea, says the footballer. Ding! So what does he do? He boots the ball right to the other end of the pitch. There's the whiz marks. Now here's another one. Impact marks. You put some impact marks there, just where he's booted the ball. Look out behind you, shouts someone in the crowd to the goalkeeper. So he's moving his head. Which direction? Well, he's turning around very quickly. Too late. The ball whizzes up, hits him on the head, impact marks, and flies off in the other direction. Unfortunately, into the back of the goal. And there he is. He's lying down there. He's seeing stars. Put them in. And he's got a black eye as well. Meanwhile, the footballer is jumping for joy. Goal, he says, putting his movement marks there. And the goalkeeper's teammates are absolutely furious. So much so, they've got steam coming out of their ears. The goalkeeper, well, yes, he's shaking like a leaf. And as for the girl in the crowd, she's now got her eye on the footballer. And if you ask me, love is in the air. And what happened to the goalkeeper? Well, his teammates made him wash their hot, sweaty socks for the rest of the week. And if you ask me, he deserves it. Good day, try it yourself, special effects for your cartoons, and bring some life into them.
It's the head again. Clever, innit, eh? Just a few little lines and squiggles, you can make your drawings come bursting into life. Fortunately, it didn't work for him.